Avalanche Slide is the main decentralized brilliant agreement stage intended to scale worldwide money with close moment exchange conclusiveness. Avalanche Slide is an open source stage that makes an exceptionally versatile environment and dispatches decentralized applications and venture blockchain organizations from the beginning with the productive trade of information among different frameworks. The significant contrast it makes from other decentralized networks is its agreement instrument. Other decentralized blockchains are typically sluggish and not adaptable. Individuals have seen that Avalanche is novel in its methodology, as its agreement offers extraordinary security, alongside fast absolution, decentralization, and high throughput. Avalanche Slide gives on-fasten administration to allow members to decide in favor of the progressions in the organization for basic organization boundaries, for justly updating. The decision of the larger part can likewise change the boundaries, including the mining rate and least marking sum. Be that as it may, all the administration boundaries are restricted to some time reach to allow the framework to remain unsurprising for the present moment. It likewise makes your private and public blockchains. The framework is intended for better help for money-related works and offers help to just make and exchange complex computerized brilliant resources and custom rulesets. Avalanche Slide, Avax, Fundamental Analysis. Avalanche Slide comprises of 3 implicit blockchains. They are named Platform Chain, P-Chain, Contract Chain, C-Chain, and Exchange Chain, X-Chain. The essential organization is a special subnet that gets and approves these 3 blockchains. Each individual from every custom subnet must be an individual from the primary network. For doing as such, they need to stake at least 2,000 Avax. A group of Cornell PC researchers has fostered the framework to utilize a high-level agreement convention. It is equipped for affirming exchanges in under a moment, for all time. Avalanche Slide is likewise equipped for 4,500 exchanges each second, which is a significant degree more noteworthy than present blockchains, making it more adaptable. The adaptable framework effectively makes custom blockchains and decentralized applications containing practically any erratic rationale. Its security is guaranteed because of the more grounded security ensures, or at least, vary over 51% of the guidelines of different organizations. Rather than confirmation of work, it utilizes the energy-effective verification of stake agreement calculation. It likewise upholds the foundation of brilliant robustness contracts and the most loved Ethereum apparatuses, including Remix, MetaMask, and Truffle. How Avalanche works. Avax utilizes a proof-of-stake component rather than the verification of work instrument. This implies that you can stake it yet cannot mine it. Radiant King and Scott Nadel of Peercoin originally presented the marking instrument, which secures the tokens for supporting an organization and gives compensations to the stakers. A decentralized organization maintains a strategic distance from Sybil assaults for the need of organization impact, paid utilizing a scant asset. It basically makes it very hard for an assailant to endeavor to think twice about security of the organization. Avalanche Slide's local token, Avax, is the scant asset for its verification of work frameworks, as this asset is the registering power. Thus, a hub should stake Avax to approve a blockchain on Avalanche. Torrential Slide's environment leads some sub-tested casting a ballot in the example. A little and irregular subset of validators offers a viewpoint in regards to the acknowledgement and dismissal of exchanges, at whatever point a validator needs to decide the predominance of an exchange. In the ordinary circumstances when there is no contention in an exchange, it settles in a tiny piece of time. Tokenomics. Avax, the local badge of Avalanche, is a scam. Some Avax tokens are likewise required for moving or trading your resources utilizing the Avalanche bridge. This scaffold gives an Avax airdrop to clients to move in excess of a specific worth of resources for the blockchain. Thus, you really want to get it from trades or through a MasterCard buy on Pangolin. It has a coursing supply of 268.6 million and an all-out supply of 395.9 million. Torrential Slide milestones. Torrential Slide is satisfied it's now settled guide, and they have not reported further overhauls yet. We have referenced beneath the significant overhauls it has proactively carried out. April 2020. Avalanche sent off its most memorable public testnet named Cascade. May 2020. Avalanche has proclaimed its second open testnet called Denali. It likewise made its clients run a testnet hub and gave 2,000 Avax tokens to members. They arranged an occasion to convey 2 million tokens to its supporters. August 2020. Avalanche Network made its completely included form, Everest, to go about as the last phase of testing preceding the send-off of Avalanche's mainnet. It further upheld the organization charges, more created Shrewd Agreement utility, and NFT contracts. September 2020. The Avalanche mainnet was sent off on 21st of September, which included the arrival of its 3 Avalanche chains, the P, X, and C chains. At the send-off of these chains, the organization gave most extreme help to the similarity of EVM, Ethereum Virtual Machine, and Advancement Tool Compartment by utilizing an EVM execution, Avalanche Contract Chain, or C chain. Torrential Slide, Avax Price Analysis. Torrential Slide, Avax, is as of now $56 and lies on the position of number 15 in the whole cryptosystem, as per CoinMarketCap. Its market capitalization is about $15 billion, and the completely weakened market capitalization is $23 billion. Torrential Slide price prediction for 2022. Torrential Slide is attempting to frame an environment that can communicate and share information and data to keep up with its security, adaptability, and usefulness. Because of the absence of expected risks or negative patterns coming soon for digital currency showcases, Avax's cost can have a decent future as well. The base cost till the finish of 2022 can be $90, the typical cost can be $95, and the most extreme cost can be $100. Torrential Slide price prediction for 2023. Avax has been expanding consistently since the time it contacted its unsurpassed excessive cost. Albeit token has performed somewhat well, it actually has numerous viewpoints to be gotten to the next level. Torrential Slide has fostered a quick and solid organization that deals with the item's client experience. This multitude of developments in the framework animate a bullish pattern in the Avax coin's cost, and it can reach as high as $130, with a typical cost of $125. If the interest for crypto under capricious conditions turns out to be low, the base cost can be $120. Torrential Slide price prediction for 2024. Torrential Slide, being a blockchain, has performed quite well, and there have been a ton of positive cost forecasts by their investigation of verifiable information and specialized research. This year, the base cost might surpass $128. The security and